In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Arzopa portable monitor to a laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which laptop model you have, either a Windows one, Linux one, Mac, or even a full-sized PC, you can connect and use your Arzopa monitor. There are two or rather three main ways to do this. The first one is the recommended way. It's by using a USB-C to USB-C cable. For this method, you only need this cable and nothing else. One end of the cable is going to go into any of these USB-C ports on the Arzopa portable monitor, so you will find plenty. Just connect one end of the cable here, and then the other one goes into any USB-C port available on your PC or laptop. In these examples here, I'm showing you a screenshot of a motherboard and a PC case, but of course, you will find USB-C ports available on the side of modern laptops. Just look through the sides until you find a suitable port and connect it. Like I said before, this method will immediately give you any image on the screen because it doesn't require external power. For the other methods, you will use the included HDMI to mini HDMI cable. The mini HDMI is going to go into the Arzopa monitor, so in this port here, it's going to be labeled as HDMI. And the other end, which is the full-size HDMI connector, goes into your PC, laptop, MacBook, and so on. But for this one, you will need to use the USB-A to USB-C cable to provide power to the Arzopa monitor. So in this case, you need to connect it to a power supply using the USB-C to USB-A cable. Keep that in mind. You can also do this by connecting it directly to the PC to give it power. So choose between an external power supply like a power bank or connect it to the PC, and you will be able to get it done. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.